So first tech tip, एक सेकंड में मेरा स्क्रीन शेयर कर लेता हूँ. So quick question, how many of you have taken a picture, okay, and regretted because the picture is not sharp enough, blur हो गया, पीछे motion blur आ गया, or maybe you have taken a picture of an important document जिसमें text इतना clear नहीं आ रहा है. तो look at this side, this is AI enabled, ठीक है ना. यहाँ पे आपको आपका image upload करना है, जो भी आपका image है. So let me take this image. I recently attended a chess event, Tata Steel chess, where I happened to take some pictures with a zoom lens, and pictures उतना clear नहीं आए. So you can upload the picture and then you can start processing. So this is I'll not wait for it to process. I'll just show you from my history. This is one picture of Tanya Sachdeva. This is the picture that I had taken, and this is what the system did for me. What it is also doing, along with sharpening it, it is also digitally processing, and it is also creating it for you in a way.
बहुत ही क्रेजी है. आई थिंक ये तो बिल्कुल ही डराने वाली चीज है कि ऐसे कैसे कर दिया इसने.
Yes.
Guys,
So it understands what it is sharpening exactly, and then it does the job for you.
This is
So
unreal. This is unreal, actually. This is unreal.
Yes, and you can control the amount of sharpening, amount of motion blur you would want. I mean, if you overdo it, obviously it will look a little fake. But just have a look at this. I mean, it's you can make out it's a little off, but for any natural scenery or something like that, I found it to be excellent.
So even low resolution images will kind of become high resolution images.
Yes.